Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the February Boxycharm. And I got it right here. I received it yesterday. So let's see. The theme for this month is Will You Be My Galentine for Valentine's Day. And here are the products I received. So the first product, it's going to be the Dr. Brand Microdermabrasion Exfoliator. This is a really interesting product. It retails for $80. So it's nice that we get to receive this in this month box because it costs like 4 times the cost of the box, which is amazing. So I'm gonna be trying that out and making a first impression video as well. Next thing I received was this Makeup Geek shadows. And I received the color Beaches and Cream, which is a matte transition color, and Glamorous, which is a shimmer and it's a lid color. And I got some swatches of them here. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna include pictures of all products and swatches of all the products as well. And the other product we have here is related to that one, and it's a Z-pallete, a small Z-pallete, which is really exciting because a lot of times in subscription boxes we receive like single pens, and then you're like, where am I going to store that? So Boxycharm got you covered. And you also have like some nets, so in case like one of your shadows you receive don't have like a metallic pen, you can tape this behind and you can put it on the palette. This Z-pallete, it says Boxycharm. I think it's really cute, and you can fit up to 9 shadows in this size. It's the small one, and it retails for $14. There's my 2 Makeup Geek shadows inside. So the next product I got here is lipstick. It's a Mineral Matt Lipstick from Doucce, and it retails for $20. Take it out of the box so you can see it. It's cute. The color is called Gorgeous Red 913. And I got a swatch right here too. I'm gonna insert pictures. And I really like the color. I like wearing a lot of red lipstick, so I'm really gonna use it. And okay, so now I'm gonna try on the Doucce lipstick. Let's see. So I really like the finished look. It's a really beautiful product. Right now I'm not wearing any foundation, only eyeliner, and it still looks like really good, like a look I would use like on a normal day. And finally, I received this trio of Sedona Lace brushes. It retails for $39, so it's actually really nice that they included that in the box. It includes this curve eyeliner brush, a brow brush with two sides, one of them is a spoolie, and a shader brush. I also wanted to share with you guys that we received a 25% discount for the brand. So if you use the code Boxy25, you receive a 25% off of your purchase. So that's it for today. I'm gonna be trying all the products out, and I'm gonna let you know in the description box, and also going to include all the prices. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for the first impression of this product next week. Bye! Oh bitch, don't follow me. Me voy a poner aquí. Okay, it's recording.
Yes.
Sedona Lace, and
I fucking love it.
And it reads the Dr. brand. Okay.
Right. Yes. Because I'm so beautiful.